This is another video, that is the fourth video on the topic function, and this one is going to be a continuation of composition of functions. Composition of functions means input of the previous function is being taken as output of that function, and the input of the previous function is being taken as the it is giving out output, and then the next function is taking the output of the previous function as the input one. That is, if there are f and g two functions, if g function is occurring first, then the input of the g function is being taken from input of the g function is being given, and then it is throwing out some output, and the output of the g function is being taken as input of the f function. Now I am giving one example. Let us say fx is a function, fx equals to 2x plus 5, and gx is another function, it is equals to x square plus 1. F is a function from R to R, and g is also a function from R to R. That is, both are real functions. Now I am trying to find out the value of f o g x. You know what is it? F o g x. It does mean f of gx. F of gx means, first of all, g function is happening, and its output is being taken as input by the f function. That is, x is coming here. This is the g function. It is throwing out gx. Gx means what? X square plus 1. That is, f of x square plus 1 means this one is being taken as input by the f function, f of x square plus 1. Now what it is going to do? Its characteristics is 2 of 2x plus 5. That means two of x square plus 1 plus 5. So it is going to be 2x square plus 2 plus 5, that is 2x square plus 7. So the f function, it is a processor, it is processing x square plus 1, and it is throwing out the output as 2x square plus 7, and this one is being called as FOG. This is actually FOGX. So FOGX equals to f of gx equals to f of x square plus 1. Now what the f function is doing, it is making twice of the input and then adding 5 with it. So twice of the input means twice of x square plus 1 plus 5. So this is the output. So the FOGX is 2x square plus 7 if fx and gx are like this. Now let us try to find out what is going to be GOF of x. GOF of x means, similarly, g of fx, that is, the f1 is going to be occurring first. G of fx means g of 2x plus 5. This is the 2x plus 5. If the f function is allowed to take an input as x, what it does, it makes it 2x plus 5, and the g function then, whatever it takes, it makes it square and then add 1 with it. That is, g of this one is equals to 2x plus 5 whole square plus 1. So it is going to be 4x square plus 25 plus 20x plus 1. So it is 4x square plus 20x plus 26. This is GOF of x. So you can say that FOGX and GOX are not same. FOGX is not equals to GOFX. That is, if I allow to occur G function first, and then the output of G is to be processed by the F function, then the final output is going to be this one, 2x square plus 7. And if I allowed F function to occur first, and then the output of F is to be taken by input as the G function, then the output is going to be 4x square plus 2x, 20x plus 26, and both the output are not equal. Now let us try to understand another function. Let us say FOFX. What I am doing, FOFX means it is a composition. It is a composition of the same function. It is a composition of same function with itself. It means f of fx. FOFX means f of fx. Means the same function is being combined with itself. That means, say this is the input x, it is coming to f. So what it is giving output? Its output is fx, which is 2x plus 5. Now this one is being taken as input of the next function, which is also f. That is f of 2x plus 5. So what the next function is going to do? F function, its characteristics is fx equals to 2x plus 5. So 2 times of input plus 5. So in this case also, what it will do? 2 times of input plus 5. So it is going to be 4x plus 10 plus 5. So it is going to be 4x plus 15. So this is the function FOFX equals to 4x plus 15. This is the pictorial presentation of this one. FOFX, it is going to be 4x plus 15. Now what is f square? F square means it is actually fx into fx. F square means fx into fx. Means two functions are being multiplied. It is basically, it is not a composition of function. It is operation on function. That is product of two functions, as we have discussed earlier. So fx into fx means what? 2x plus 5 into 2x plus 5. It is not the case that output of f is being taken as input of the next function f. Not like that. It is simply product of the two functions. So it is going to be 2x plus 5 whole square, that is 4x square plus 25 plus 20x. So it is different. F square is different from FOFX. So FOF is not equals to f square. FOF and f square are not same. FOF is a composition of function, whereas f square is a operation of function, that is product. So this much for today. Thank you.